So based on the title of this video, the first app I want to share with you is Pi Music. So Pi Music is a music player you can download for your Pixel 6 phone in case you get it out of the box. A lot of people would like to get a new music player for their phones because Google is actually giving us YouTube music when we get this phone out of the box. But in some countries, like my country like this, YouTube music is a bit restricted and I don't get a chance to get trending songs on YouTube music and all. But with this app, I can just do whatever YouTube music is actually doing, and that is basically very cool. So I think it's one of the best apps you can just download, and it's actually going to be very helpful for you. You can just play around with it and you're going to be able to like whatever that goes on. So you see right here, you can check out new discovery and then do a whole lot of good stuff you feel like you want. You can check out on YouTube the trending songs and everything that is really going on this application. And also what I like most about this app is you can even change the theme and then use your preferred picture you feel like you want. In case maybe you want any picture from your gallery, you can just choose from them by tapping on this section and then you change any picture you feel like you want. So this is my Pixel 6 right here, and then I'm going to use it as my background picture right here, and then you're going to see how it looks like, and that is it right here. So you can use any picture you feel like you want. So I think this is one of the applications you can download to your phone in case you get a phone out of the box and want to just get any third-party music player or any music player apart from YouTube music. Pi Music is what I think you have to download. So it has a lot of cool stuff right here, which will even help you to just make ringtones for yourself. And you can see right here, you can choose any song you feel like you want and then make the ringtone for yourself. And that is basically very cool. So this is one of the applications I think is going to be very helpful for you. And you can even share a song with this application to anyone in the world who you feel like you want. You can see right here an advanced music sharing feature, which lets you share music instantly with anyone, anywhere in the world. So you can just share music with anyone by just selecting the song and then sending them the key they need to use and download. So when they just get the song, they just put the key here and then receive the song, and that is basically very cool. So this app is one of the cool apps I think you're going to like. And in case maybe you've used this application and then you have any thoughts, to just state in the comment section so that people also know how to go about this application when downloaded. And let's check out the next app you should download on your Pixel 6. So the next app I want to share with you is Tapet. Tapet is an application that is really going to make you enjoy material you theming on your Pixel 6 phones. You know, we have Android 12 on our phones right here, and you can see the wallpaper I'm using right here. It makes me get the material you theming very well. Look at my keyboard right here. It's very, very clean based on the wallpaper I have right here, and that is basically very cool. When you just even go to the app like this and I tap on this section, I'm just going to be able to just change my wallpaper right away from here. And then when I go back, you're going to see how my phone screen is going to be, and then you can check my keyboard right here. It's going to switch based on material you theming on Android 12. And then when you check out my quick settings too, you can see right here it's going to change right away, and that is basically very cool. What I like most about this application is when I press hold on it like this and then I tap on randomize, it's actually going to change the wallpaper for me directly from the home screen, and that is basically very cool. I can do a whole lot of things and then change the color right here. It's going to change the color of the wallpaper I have right here, and that is basically very cool. I think the wallpaper app is actually very good, that you guys should just try it out. And then when I tap on randomize pattern, you're going to see that it's going to change the pattern right here for me. And when you go into the app and then you swipe to the left like this, it's actually going to change the color and the pattern. You swipe like this to change the pattern, and then you swipe like this to just change the color by the same pattern. And that is basically very cool. You want to get a new pattern, you swipe to the left like this, and then you just swipe like this to change the colors, and then you are good. You can swipe up to just get a different pattern too, and then swipe down to get a different pattern, and that is basically very cool. I think this wallpaper app is one of the best you can just try, and then you're gonna like it. Look at this wallpaper right here. It's very, very great. Don't let anyone just share with you some fake wallpaper apps and all. This is a very great wallpaper app that you're gonna like. And also, in case you want to know more apps you are going to be able to download on your Pixel 6 or any other smartphone you are using, you can check out this video right here. It's actually going to help you with a lot of apps. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.